Here I have Nokia C12, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you have to select preferred language. I'll just switch to English, but here you can select like more languages. Tap let's go. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on you, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can set up date and time. Then I suggest you to disable these Google services, but in any case you will have to tap accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up face unlock, or you can just skip this step and do this later in settings because it might take some time. Then you can set up PIN or any other screen lock method, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't set any protection at all. Then you have these HMD services. Okay. Then tap skip. And device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.